How to recover Facebook account from Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can recover your Facebook account through Instagram. So do watch until the end and follow the steps carefully to avoid any errors. First of all, you need to go ahead and open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're in the home page, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you do that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then select Settings. There you will see the section of Account Center. Tap on it. You will see the option of logging in with accounts under Connected Experiences section. Tap on it. Ensure Allow all accounts to log in each other is selected and do not choose which accounts can log into another account. With this setting enabled, logging in your Instagram will also log in to your connected Facebook account. And this is how you can recover your Facebook account from Instagram. So that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.